Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate TikTok Shop product feed using Shopify. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the apps section on the left-hand menu. In the search bar, type TikTok to find the TikTok app. Click on the TikTok app to open its settings. If you haven't installed the app yet, follow the prompts to add it to your store. Once the app is installed, ensure it's connected to your TikTok business account. Locate the product feed section within the TikTok app dashboard. Click on Set up product feed to begin the authentication process. You will see a list of your store's products. Select the products you want to include in your TikTok Shop feed. Review the product details to ensure they meet TikTok's guidelines. After verifying the products, click on the Submit button. Wait for the connection to be established between Shopify and TikTok. Once the feed is successfully submitted, you will receive a confirmation message. Check the status of your product feed in the TikTok app dashboard. If there are any errors, click on View Errors for details. Follow the recommendations provided to fix any issues. After resolving errors, resubmit the product feed again. Once everything is authenticated, your products will start appearing in your TikTok shop. Regularly check back to ensure your product feed remains synced. You're now ready to start selling on TikTok Shop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.